In this video, we will learn how to fix Fortnite blue screen error. If you're facing blue screen issue in Fortnite, it can happen for either two reasons. First one is if the Fortnite servers are having issues, and the second one is if your Fortnite game files have corruption. So firstly, we will check if the servers of Fortnite have any issue with them. In order to check it out, firstly we'll minimize our game, open up our browser. In the search panel of our browser, we'll type in status.epicgames.com, then hit enter. After opening up this website, we will need to check the server status of Fortnite servers. So we will maximize Fortnite. In here we can see that all of the services are operational and none of them have a red icon beside them, which means that there is an error with them. So after you have checked out if the Fortnite servers are okay or not, you'll need to work on your game files. In order to do that, minimize your browser, open up Fortnite and exit the game. After you have shut down Fortnite, you need to open up your Epic Launcher. After the Epic Launcher is open, head to your library section. From here, you need to find Fortnite and right click on it and click on the Manage button. After that, you need to click on the Verify button from the top hand side. After the game verifications are done, we will just launch our Fortnite again and see if the issue is resolved. After the verification is done, you will get into Fortnite without any errors and enjoy the game like before. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.